Hey guys, so today I'm with my baby sister. Say hi, Jana.
Hi.
I hope you could hear her. Say hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone.
She's eating a cracker right now, so yeah. But today,
I love you.
okay, Jana. So today I'm gonna be letting my sister trade my stuff for whatever she wants on people's trade list. So I only get one chance to pick one person each time she trades to trade whatever she wants on their list. I'm really scared. Because if she trades like one of my like really big valuables like Cammy or something, I'll cry. Gianna, whatever you do, don't trade for my frog, okay? Okay. Okay, so who do you want to trade from, Gianna? By the way, this is me right here. I'm wearing all the friendship stuff. My baby sister dressed me up, so yeah. Okay, Gianna, who do you want to trade? She said she wants to trade a mouse. Pretty sure that's impossible. Gianna, go turn off the TV. Okay, just so you guys can hear her well, she's gonna go turn off the TV. Get the remote, Gianna. The remote. Go turn off the TV. Give me the remote so I'll turn it. Gianna! Okay. So now, let's go.
Okay.
And, ooh, she's on my lap. Okay. Who do you want to trade? Just point at some person. Anyone here?
Frog.
The frog.
Yeah.
Point at the frog. Who is the frog?
That one. Froggy.
I can't reach her name tag, but actually I might be able to. Okay, she's talking about the person with the peacock tails. I can't reach them though. Am I in the way? I might be the one that's in the way. Okay. I'm lagging. Okay, here she is. She looks kind of rare, so. Okay. Oh, okay. What do you want from her list? OMG, thank God she has rares. What do you want from here, Gianna? What are you pointing at? Because I don't want you guys to think that I'm like telling her.
Party hat.
The party hat? Okay. So, what are you going to trade her for the party hat?
Cake.
Choose one of these to trade. Tell them what you're pointing at.
A lizard hat.
Okay, well, she's pointing at the straw hat. And do you want to trade more, or that's it?
A lollipop.
A lollipop? Okay,
Yeah.
is that it, or do you want to trade more?
More.
More? Okay. So I'm only going to let her choose up to 4 items. And let's go down. Okay, choose something else.
The mask.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Choose. Now I'm going to let her choose from. Okay, the only one I won't let her choose from is the pets because I don't want her to be picking my squirrel or my mouse. Okay, choose one.
A doggy.
A doggy? Okay.
I love doggies.
Okay.
So
Now, obviously, she's going to decline this trade. Nah, it's good. Okay, choose someone else. Because that was obviously an under trade.
a pig.
Okay, she's talking about she wants to trade this pig over here. List for head. Okay. What do you want from her?
A backpack.
Oh! Oh, that's really, like, not rare. I'm scared. Okay. Ooh, Gianna, whatever you do, don't pick any of my rares.
Okay.
Ooh, okay, choose something. Ooh, I'm scared. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm scared.
That.
No! Okay. That's it.
That's for my piggy.
Okay. Ooh, please reject, please reject, please reject. I'm sick. Oh, yes, thank you. Because I really like that thing and I don't know where I got it. Okay. Who do you want to trade next, Gianna? Oh my god, I'm freaking out.
Like that.
Okay, she's pointing at the seal. Please donate if you do things happen. Wait. Oh god, Gianna, what do you want to trade for her from him? Please.
The necklace.
No!
That's
Out of anything, the necklace! The necklace, child! What is wrong with you? You could have at least chose the silver. Oh. Oh no. Oh god, I'm crying inside right now. Oh.
Don't give that.
Why'd you have to choose the necklace? Okay. Choose something. Oh, not this section. I like this section.
No, I'm cookies.
My cookies?
Yeah.
And that's it?
Yeah.
Oh, she's obviously gonna accept. I like those. Fine. I suppose. I mean, you can get them on Christmas, but I really like them. She's not gonna. Okay, if she doesn't accept, then that sucks then. And I'm becoming an NM. Okay, yep. You got your 45 gemmed necklace thing. You wanna wear it now? A necklace. She chooses this. Thanks, kid. Love you too. Okay, choose someone else to trade, Gianna.
That one.
Which is that one?
I want this one. Right here.
Oh, she just left. Choose someone else.
I want that one.
Okay, she's pointing at the black owl. And she also just left. Who else?
No, that one.
Oh, the wolf?
Yeah.
Okay. Choosing at this very Zeos dedicated wolf. Okay, what do you want? Okay, ooh. I have a lot of this stuff. Okay, what do you want to trade? Sunglasses. I mean, what do you...
That sunglasses.
No, okay, I can't do that now because I was just telling her what to say. It's pretty unfair. Okay, choose something.
Okay, that.
The skirt?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't really like designer skirts, but whatever. Gianna, no. Okay. Oh! Clothing is like dangerous zone. Ooh! Okay, Gianna, choose something. Please. No! What's wrong with you? Are you sure you want to do that one, Gianna?
Wings.
Are you sure you want to do that one?
Wings.
Oh, wings? Okay, yeah, wings. Good. Wait, are you sure you want to do that one?
Yeah.
Okay. I just saved myself. But I like my wings. She's gonna accept, especially since the designer skirt is green. You're so mean, Gianna. I got a green designer skirt that I'm never looking at. Stop touching the keyboard. Okay, who else do you want to trade, you devil child?
That one.
She's looking at the pink sheet. Okay. Oh God. God, help me. Oh, this child is gonna try. Okay, choose something to trade her. That one?
Yeah.
Fine by me.
No.
Ow, she's like annoying me right now. Tigga. Oh, she accepted? Oh yeah, they're both in store items. Okay, well, whatever. Say pie if you have gray and white lawn for sure. Well, that's it. I'm not gonna end up Gianna! She like keeps touching my keyboard. She's getting pretty out of like I can't keep her contained. She's going crazy. Gianna, stop touching the keyboard. Oh, Gianna. Okay, that's enough. Okay, Gianna. Okay, get off my lap.
No.
Okay, say bye, everyone.
Okay, hi everyone.
I said to say bye.
Hi everyone.
Bye, everyone.